Hello people of the interwebs, and welcome to a studio vlog. So this morning I went to run some errands. I went to go check my mailbox and mailed some of the sticker orders that I worked on over the weekend. By the way, today's Monday, so I thought I'd open these wonderful packages with you guys on camera. So first have this right here. What I think it is, it's my notebook therapy notebook. Yeah, it's my notebook therapy notebook. I ordered a pastel Suki notebook. I think that's what it's called. So let's open it, shall we? Ooh. Let me just get it out of the cover. I'm just gonna cut the cover open. Oh my god, look at it. It's probably very blurry and you can't see it because my autofocus is off. But this is so cool. And the pages are like really white. Like I wanted them for the longest time. But the pages are quite thick. They're not as thick as I imagined. Maybe I was just imagining watercolor paper, but it's pretty thick. I got the one in the honey color, I believe. It has the two little ties. And it comes with a sticker sheet, like a freebie. I can't wait to use this. How the hell do I use it? Nope. Okay, it's this way. Got it. It's just a bit tricky to get it off. Okay. Yeah, it's just a teeny bit tricky to get these stickers off, but I believe these are from Blossom Bujo. I can be wrong. I'll try and find who designed these stickers and link them down below. So that's the first package I got. The second package, ooh, they're little tiny packages on the inside. Hey, nice thank you note. Oh my god, so this is a package from Alina's Bujo on Instagram. She has her Etsy store where she sells hats and like knitted stuff, and she sent me a package. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. Look at this. This is the cutest thing ever. These are these cute little woolen socks. I'm gonna try them on for you guys in a bit. But look at them. They're so cute. It's a hat. Oh, I love the colors on this. I'm gonna put it on. And this is completely handmade. Oh my god. I will link all her social media stuff down below. Please check her out. She's amazing. And look at how cute this is. It's like a yellow, like a minty green. No, here's the minty green. The blue and a white and this little pom-pom. Oh. And I think in the last package, it's a scarf. I think it's a scarf. Yes, it's a scarf. So cute. Oh my god. Okay, so my camera's flashing red saying the battery is about to die, so we shall see how long this lasts. But is this my thumbnail right here? Or should I do these? But thank you so much, Elena, for sending me. I didn't expect to receive this, so I'm so thankful for you for sending me these.
The time to pass me by. Plunging in my sentimental mind. I'm still holding my feelings in. I'm still wondering if you care. I was taken so for granted. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Just hold it. Tendency was sharpening your knife. Acting like you owe you breathing love. Cut your losses in the end. Make sure you learn my lessons. My trust is permanent damage. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when the words fall? Words fall. Just hold it.
Hi, this is voiceover Dwani coming here to fill in what's happening in this clip. So we got a package from Vistaprint and my sister was very excited. She wanted to open it. So these right here that you are seeing, my sister struggled to open, are my new thank you cards. So in the past, I've always printed my own thank you cards. I just thought it was getting a bit tiresome for me especially, and it was just economically better to order them. So I checked out Vistaprint for the first time and they turned out really good. So yeah, this is us opening my thank you cards. Since this vlog has now turned into just a mega video of me opening packages, so here is a pen pal letter I got from Milk Mocha on Instagram. This is the second pen pal letter I've gotten from her, and she is just such an amazing person. I currently am working on returning the letter for this one, but she sends me the cutest letter, the cutest prompts, and the cutest stationery ever. So here I am showing you guys a little bit of the goodies she got me. So the theme of the letter was all things blue, and it was just so cute. So here's the letter. I sent her like a this or that last round, so the answers to that. the extras, which I absolutely loved each and every one of them. The playlist, I actually put all my pen pal playlists on my Spotify. Questions that I gotta answer, and some amazing stationery paper. So this like a book kind of thing, because I'm thinking of returning this letter like a mushroom themed, and the papers she sent me are just so cute and adorable. I will make sure to use them in the letter and all the stuff I send her back. So Grace, if you're listening to this, thank you so much for sending me this letter. I could loved opening it up, and it's just so cute. So thank you. Here we are with another package. So many today. So this package is from my sticker app order. I ordered the freebie stickers for the month of August. So in August, the first 100 orders will get this awesome exclusive freebie in their order, no matter how much you buy from my store. So links will be down below. Go check it out. And to end off our amazing package journey, we're ending it off with a bang. And here is a stationery swap that I did with Little Lemon Soda on Instagram and Etsy. I absolutely love her aesthetic. It's just so cute. Her cat drawings are to die for. Like, anything with a cat on it, I will definitely buy. I just adore them. And look at the envelope, like the little hello cat. It's just the cutest. So she sent me a couple of her stuff. I absolutely love her holographic like soda can sticker. It's just so cute. And then after we did the swap, she updated her store to add tote bags, and I just fell in love with the design, so I bought myself a tote bag. Once again, Corman, if you're listening, thank you so much for agreeing to a swap. We should definitely do another one again, and you guys should definitely check her out. Again, I'll link all the social media for everything I'm talking about down below, so make sure you check her out. So to end off this vlog, here is a time lapse of me drawing and doodling in my sketchbook. I hope you guys like this studio vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!